Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset all of your save progress on the Goat Simulator 3 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Goat Simulator 3 on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, if you wish to delete all of your save progress until now and wish to play the game all the way from the beginning, then in order to do so, just click on the settings option from the homepage. Now within the settings page, right within the General tab, you will see various options, including the Reset Save button. Go ahead and click on the red Reset button, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you would like to clear your progress. You will also be warned that this will reset all of your progress, and you will also lose all of your gear, your karma and collectibles. However, the worlds will remain unchanged. In order to proceed forward, click on the Delete button, and all of your save game progress will be deleted. Otherwise, click on Cancel to cancel your decision. Once you have pressed the delete button, all of your progress will be removed. And once you click on play, you will need to start the game all the way from the beginning. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your save progress and start playing all the way from the beginning on Goat Simulator 3. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.